Hello guys, today we are playing Schoolboy Runaway.
Why again?
But I'm not gonna make it so loud. Let's do it immediate. Let's go! Skip. Remember, are we in practice mode?
That's not fair. Now I have to sit and do homework because of that teacher. I need to create a smoke screen.
Come on, keep your head up! Here we go again. Come on! This is just embarrassing!
Oh, Pachi, I'm trying to record that. Pachi. Pachi! I already got message.
Longer.
Ignore it. Oh my goodness, it feels like I'm in the night mode because of messages. I'm gonna take some sleep. Let me go to the bed to get this step.
Here we go again.
Oh my goodness.
If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me.
Yeah, right! You wish you counterattack!
That's the new anthem of Malaysia. not buying anything, okay?
Wait a minute.
That's good enough, bro.
Runaway again! Come on, get it together! Time is ticking! Ooh, a terrible shift! Just terrible! This is just embarrassing! Here we go again.
What's the last step? Skip, 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 skip. No, I didn't make it. And then whoever this is just inside.
How much longer?
Equal the computer. Equal the clock. Okay, let me on the password. By the way, the password is oh my goodness.
Forward! Come on, come on, come on!
2000 is supposed to be.
How could you miss that? Come on, come on. Well, come on. Come on, get it together. Time is ticking.
finally got free, the world was filled with bloodthirsty zombies. I had no choice but to find other survivors to join forces and try to restore the world. First, I found a sheriff who started guarding our gates. Then a medic. I built a clinic for her. And finally, a blacksmith. I was used to clearing rubble with an axe, but he made a special drill for me, so I can do it much faster now. One day, zombies in a truck broke through our defenses, and we had to fight for our lives. I died, but the medics brought me back to life. When the battle was over, we had a vehicle. We upgraded it and mounted a machine gun on it. Now we can break through zombie hordes and explore new territories. Let's stop the zombie invasion and rebuild the world because we are the last hope of humanity. Download Last Stronghold and play it for free.
Second, it could be a horror game. So when is a horror game, you get jump scared. Haha, I will jump scared. I'm just kidding. They don't have horror games on the ads. They just have kind little games. And most of all, they have